Your ERP isn't built for efficiency. What should be a simple task is complicated, or worse yet, impossible. Cavallo fixes that. We make your ERP work for your business. Let's explain. This is your ERP. Think of it like your phone's operating system. It's necessary to run the business, it covers the basics, but it doesn't come with all the apps that really drive value for you. Essentially, what we do is create powerful efficiency apps to drive your business. Using your ERP as a foundation, our solutions accelerate, automate, and let you analyze your business. Accelerate with user-friendly productivity tools for all the tasks your team does daily. Creating an order, checking inventory, customer management, and more. Now completed with maximum efficiency. Picture your team going from 1,000 orders a day to 3,000. What took you 10 clicks before is now 1. And when customers call, you have immediate answers. Every screen, every action is designed specifically for how you operate. Whether your ERP is on-prem or in the cloud, your operations will now be able to do a lot more with less. Automate your business with an easily configurable workflow and order management system. If you're like most businesses, you probably have some sense of orders coming in and orders shipping out. But every step in between, you're left in the dark. What you probably don't realize, or you realize when it's too late, is you're shipping unprofitable orders. Documents are getting lost, and you're not seeing financials until 10 days after your billing cycle. This is unacceptable. Through process checks and automation, you now have turn-by-turn instructions for every order and know they're all handled exactly how they should be. Your customers are happier, your throughput doubles, and your employees no longer deal with chaos on a daily basis. You'll shave valuable time off of each step and find an additional 5 to 6 figures each year from process improvements alone. No more fighting fires. Automate eliminates errors and makes you a lot more money. Imagine actionable insights in real time. That's Analyze. Your ERP has millions of data points you're not using. Unlock this data and use it to drive even more profits. It's like an MRI for your operations, but better, looking deep into your business and finding inefficiencies you can't even see. In real time, diagnostics continually scan your performance and compare it to historical data, rerouting and showing you the optimal path for every order. Now you can measure the performance of a new picking process, how long your best customer waits, or if there's any opportunity for additional profit. Our solutions combine machine learning with a simple, clean UI. No more guessing. With Cavallo, you'll sleep better knowing everything's running smoothly. At each level, we add profitability. Simply put, Cavallo makes your ERP system work for your business. Your team is fast and efficient. You go from chaos to control. And now you leverage data to make superior business decisions. Make your business immensely more profitable and competitive with Cavallo.